Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off no item discovered on voiceover on iPhone X. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting on your iPhone X, and you'll have to do is go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to voiceover, and voiceover, go to audio. Here in audio, go to sounds and haptics. In sound and haptics, in interaction section, you can see here the no item discovered. And you'll have to do is tap the no item discovered. And no item discovered, you can see here the sounds. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the no item discovered sounds, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again the no item discovered sounds, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right sides. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on and off no item discovered in voiceover on iPhone X. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.